Well, today flood survivors will find out how much longer they can stay in the county's temporary lodging program. For more than 2 months now, the county has housed flood victims in different hotels. ABC 10 News reporter Sierra Encinas joins us live from one of the hotels that flood victims are staying at to tell us just how long flood survivors will have until they have to find a permanent home.
Good morning, Marie. 800 households are going to be getting letters from the county later today, letting them know when they will no longer have a county-funded hotel room like the ones that you see behind me here. The earliest people will have to leave is 7 days from now. This program will ultimately end on May 11th. They're now telling people to apply for FEMA assistance, but one survivor that I spoke to says that he ran into some obstacles while applying.
This is my lovely, homely abode.
It's 4 walls and less than 400 square feet.
As you see, they share the bed, but sometimes it's a little cot.
But it's where Carrington Pinky and his kids are living.
It's definitely put a lot more stress and a lot more tension on family dynamics.
His household is multi-generational. His father is bedbound and he has 2 young children to take care of.
I can't put stuff in the fridge because it's too small, you know, so it's just stuff like that. Like, I just want a home. It doesn't even have to be my home. Help me find something that I can afford because I work.
Tuesday, his family will find out when the county will no longer guarantee their hotel room. The county's plan is to transition flood survivors out of the program in either 7 days, 14 days, or by May 11th. The people with 7 days left either didn't register for FEMA aid, couldn't prove they were flood victims, or broke the rules. Survivors with 14 days were told by FEMA that their homes are safe to live in again.
We've been in the dark for so long now that at this point I think people are just kind of like, look, can we get help with finding a home or not, or we pairing our homes? That's what it's coming down to.
These items stacked on their front porch are just some of the items that were impacted during the floods on January 22nd. The county has told him and other flood survivors to apply for FEMA assistance. He and his family did, but he says the money they received just isn't enough.
FEMA told us that in a sense they just help homes, one single home. So to them, we did get paid out about 20K.
Half of the money is for home repairs and the other half is for shelter. He says a contractor told him last week that the price tag to fix his family's home is going to be at least $100,000. A FEMA official tells ABC 10 News rental assistance is dispersed in 2-month increments. Knowing that time is ticking, the family is looking for their next housing option.
Right now we're looking into possibly 3 or 4 bedroom apartments, or, you know, we go back to the house, finish cleaning it up ourselves, and just, you know, wait until we can start restoring it.
As of Friday, the county says more than 400 households in its temporary hotel voucher program have not applied for FEMA assistance. The FEMA money that's available to flood victims will be sent via direct deposit or check. FEMA is telling people to keep their receipts and that if they are not using this money properly, they will not get it. For now, live in National City, Sierra Encinas, ABC 10 News.
And speaking of FEMA, time is running out for flood victims to apply for that FEMA assistance. Homeowners and renters who suffer damage from the flood can apply for financial assistance for either temporary lodging, basic home repairs, and personal property loss. The deadline to apply is April 19th. You can find information about assistance and how to apply under the Resource Center on 10news.com. And ABC 10 News is committed to following through on the aftermath of the January 22nd flood. Stick with our coverage on air and on 10news.com and our free mobile app.